To make raspberry puree, first pour 2 cups, 350 grams of fresh or frozen raspberries into a saucepan. Then add 1 3/4 cup, 440 milliliters of water, and a third cup, 70 grams of sugar. You can also add 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of lemon juice if you want a tangier puree. Now, heat the ingredients on the stovetop over medium heat and slowly stir them until the water comes to a boil. Reduce the heat and let the ingredients simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring the mixture occasionally. Next, pour the mixture through a strainer to filter out the seeds. Use a spoon to push any big chunks of fruit through the holes. Finally, transfer the puree to an airtight container and store it in the fridge so it cools and thickens. You can keep your puree in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.